I'm in that third lane switching. Bitches know me as unforgiving. Soon as I fuck them, I dump him out the whip and start to rip it. Flick my cigar, cause this player pimpin'. Show no love the hoes. Gold blades, chopping up cement wherever Remy goes. Swing to the left and swing to the right. As I push up the caddy, I'm bumping on Tommy right. And they know they cannot touch me. Your girlfriend been trying to fuck me. I been posted at the crib, just smoking, thumbing through all my money. Flossing, candy glossing, Gucci stepping while I'm walking. Collar popping, boy you sipping over bitches, man, I see you sobbing. I don't want your fucking guts, get on your knees and start to slobbing. International pimpin', been fucking hoes around the world. Got me a bitch that speaks in Swahili and a Spanish girl. Rose gold, play your shit, Taylor suits and gator kicks. Open up my mouth, this shit at 24K when I spit. I let the Rams keep spinning, I ain't even out about yet. I'm just a real life player, but the 40 make it two-step. I let the Rams keep spinning, I ain't even out about yet. I'm just a real life player, but the 40 make it two-step. 6 in the morning, hit the blunt and I'm zoning.